Now, today we are dealing with exercise 3, chapter 1, 7th class. So, exercise 3. So, what's the question? Represent this in the number line. Number line we have to take again. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. We will take 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, in this question, 1 to 7, we have to minus what? 2. As I told you, no, subtraction we will do it from the down. So, what will the answer? 1, 2, 3. That is directly 5. Okay. Now, next question. What is the question here? 8. Question he gave like this. So, minus into minus, how much? Plus. So, 8. First, we will take 8. 8 plus 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how much the answer is? 15. Okay. Now, next sum. 3 minus 7. Question is 3 minus 7. So, 3. From here we are taking, here minus is there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the answer? -4. Next question. Fourth one. 15 minus 14. 15 is there. Above. 1 to 15. That is 15. From the 15, what we are taking? 14 we are taking. 14 numbers we are taking means 14 down. Subtracting it. Question. 15 minus 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is left out? 1. So, 15 minus 14 equal to 1. Understood? Now, next question. Fifth one. 5 minus 8. Minus into minus plus. So, 5 plus 8 here. We have to add it here. That is 5 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how much is the answer? 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, last sum. -2 minus of -1. That is -2 plus 1. So, here -2. Now, see, -2 minus 2 is here. దానికి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, +1 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ వీఆర్ రిమూవింగ్ దిస్ వన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుట్ ఈస్ -1. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ -1. Understood? Now see, compute the following. Direct we have to do. That is 17 minus of -14. That is equal to 17 minus into minus plus 14. How much it will come? 31. Okay. Next question. 13 minus of -8. Minus into minus plus it will become, add it, 21. Now third sum. 19 minus of -5. Minus into minus plus it will become 24. Fourth sum. 15 minus 28. So minus is bigger, minus number will come. 3, 1. Minus 13 is the answer for it. Next, fifth sum. 25 minus 33. Here also bigger number is minus. So minus. So 8. Sixth sum. 80 minus of -50. Minus into minus it will become plus. Answer is 130. Seventh sum. 150 minus 75. Subtraction we are doing. The answer is 75. Last sum. 32 minus of -18. Equal to minus into minus, it will become plus. That is 18. The answer is 10, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next question. Express -6 as a sum of negative integers and a whole number. So negative, third one, integers plus whole numbers equal to -6 we have to show. So negative integers means anything it can come. That is, first of all, I am taking -6 plus whole number 0, -6, -7 plus 1, -6, -8 plus 2, -6, -9 plus 3, -6, -10 plus 4, -6, so on. So negative integers plus whole numbers if we are adding, we are getting -6 only.